તમને ઓલવેઝ ડાઉટ થાય છે મોર બેટર સાચું કે બેટર? હેલો એવરીવન, માય આઈડેન્ટિટી ઇઝ પ્રજ્ઞા પટેલ એન્ડ વેલકમ બેક ટુ યોર ફેવરેટ ચેનલ ઇઝી સ્પીક ઇંગ્લિશ. આજે આપણે ડિગ્રી ઓફ કમ્પેરિઝન એડવાન્સ લેવલ પર માસ્ટર કરીશું. આફ્ટર ધીસ વિડીયો તમે સ્પીકિંગ અને એક્ઝામ બંનેમાં પરફેક્ટ બનશો. Let's begin. We start with basic concept. 3 forms of adjectives: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Positive degree means no comparison, simple sentence. Comparative degree means comparison between two. And superlative degree means comparison among all. Now rule system. Number 1, short adjectives. Add er in comparative degree. Add est in superlative degree. Examples: small, smaller, smallest. Fast, faster, fastest. Number 2, long adjectives. Add more before adjective in comparative degree. Add most before adjective in superlative degree. Example: beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Now spelling rules. Rule number 1, last letter double. Big, bigger, biggest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Rule number 2, y ની જગ્યાએ I. Happy, happier, happiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Rule number 3, લાસ્ટમાં e હોય તો add only er in comparative degree and est in superlative degree. Large, larger, largest. Now irregular forms of adjective. This is most important part. Examples: good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Far, farther, farthest. Much, many, more, most. આ ફોર્મ્સ યાદ રાખવા પડે. Now advanced uses. Number 1, their use in comparative. Example: Ram is taller than Shyam. Second number, the with superlative. Example: he is the best student. Number 3, double comparison. This is important. More better, no better. Now no comparison adjectives. Example: unique, perfect, complete. Let's fix. More unique, no unique. Most perfect, no perfect. Now parallel comparison. Example: the more you study, the better you perform. જેટલું વધારે એટલું સારું. Now comparative for superlative meaning. Example: no other boy is taller than Ram. This sentence is equal to Ram is the tallest. Now one of the plus superlative. Example: he is one of the best player. Now let's fix some common mistakes. She is more smarter. No, she is smarter. This is most unique. No, this is unique. આજે તમે ડિગ્રી ઓફ કમ્પેરિઝન એડવાન્સ લેવલ પર માસ્ટર કરી લીધું. લેટ્સ ક્વિક રિવાઇઝ. ઓલ ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ રૂલ્સ, irregular forms, common mistakes, exam tricks. આ ટોપિક તમને ઇંગ્લિશમાં પાવરફુલ બનાવશે. રાઇટ ઇન કોમેન્ટ comparison master. Thank you so much for your time. Follow for English motivation videos. Take care and goodbye.